So today I finally got the Razer deathstalker gaming keyboard, and this is the box. I'm gonna unbox it. It's a backlit version without the touchpad, not the ultimate. It's pretty, like heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Sorry, I'm just reading the side of the box. So yeah, this is the back of the box with the features mainly. You can see. Yep. So now let's go ahead and unbox. Sorry, just kind of taped up a lot. So yeah. Yep, that was pretty messy. Come on, it's still not out yet. Ah, finally, it's finally out. So okay, comes. Wow, look at this. This is a super big keyboard with the big Razer logo in the corner. And yep, this way. Here is the keyboard. Finally, this is the keyboard. After so much of unboxing, so much of boxes and all, this is the keyboard. So, yep, it comes wrapped up. So, whoa. Okay, here is the deathstalker. It needs to be plugged into a power source to be backlit. And I'm gonna test out my computer. Thanks for watching. See you later. So there were a few things that I missed out while unboxing, because I was more focused on the keyboard, and the small stuff were there, so I couldn't really make out, and I was in a rush also. So first of all, we get stickers. What I noticed is that we get stickers with almost everything covered Gears of War 4, the normal edition, that too, and also my Arduino I got stickers. I didn't post unboxing of it yet, but when I do, you'll see. So I mean, yeah. So and then we have this. I don't know what this is, but it says, "Welcome to Team Razer. We are an ever-growing assembly. This and that, and that." And then there's a signature by the Razer guy. I think he's the one who created the company in the first place. And with the deathstalker keyboard over your picture, as you can see, this is the deathstalker is lit up because it's connected to my computer. Okay. So and then we get this thing, which I think about the programming stuff, but I'm not gonna be able to since I use old Mac. So yeah, this is Razer Synapse. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to program it because my Mac is old and this software is not supported. This is everything put in a USB port. I think that's like common sense. The key layout also common sense. And anyways, the function keys, secondary features and all that, but I think I kind of figured out how to use it, and they show you what game mode is. Basically this is one more master guide over here. Alright, come on. Yep. master guide. Okay, I think that's it. So, and then one more thing over here, the quick start guide is all this. Again, I think a bit, yeah, kind of the same thing, not completely, but there's a few instructions in different languages. Yep, here it is. Yeah, anyways, this is all it. Yeah. Then we have, is this a mouse pad or something? Because if it is, maybe not as good as the Razer Goliath, which is super smooth and all that. Again, this says, okay, this is not welcome to Razer. This is exclusive rewards for the Razer faithful. This they say again. Who is this? This is by Min Lang Tan, co-founder, CEO, basically. Again, Razer guy. So, okay, so now I'm gonna give you the review of the keyboard. I've plugged it into my computer. That's why it's all lit up. So there's only one color enabled for the backlighting, and that's green, as you can see here. So getting started, the keyboard is really good for typing, and it's not hard to push down and doesn't get jammed or anything. And these are the 2mm chiclet keys, which are one of the key features. And this also comes with the wrist rest with the Razer logo over here. Came with the film, but I peeled it off. It doesn't matter though. So when I'm typing, I can rest my wrist. Instead of doing like this, I can actually rest my wrist over here. Look. And then also in the back of the keyboard, you get some stands. Let me just show you. And yeah, this is the stand at the back to raise your keyboard a bit. Here it is. So sorry guys, I'm recording with one hand. It's actually a pretty big keyboard. So right now the stands at the back, they're disabled. I mean, I closed them, so it's pretty much flat. Look at the surface right now. It's flat, and yeah, when I type, and if I want to raise it a bit, it's actually pretty useful. And just open them up. Yeah, this is the difference. That's it. I mean, they're raised up, and then with them, it's a bit raised. They're slightly raised. Look here. I mean, you can see it's off the ground. That time it wasn't. It was barely. So, okay, the only thing which is unique about this keyboard is that over here, the plug, it's not a USB plug. It's just a ready-made plug over here. If I try to remove it, I can't, and I won't also. But usually there's a USB which goes inside every keyboard. So one of the key features is the gaming mode, which disables keys like caps lock and alt tab and all that. So let me try alt tab. Okay, nothing is happening right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the gaming mode. So look, and caps lock is disabled. I'm gonna keep pressing it, and it's not turning on. So when I disable game mode over here, I press the caps lock, and it's turned on. So this is the volume button, volume keys. For me, since I'm using an old Mac, it doesn't work perfectly. You can see over here, this is my old keyboard, which it's pretty rough. I mean, I don't think it's any different except the sound. I'm not gonna talk bad about it since it had a really cool feature with the USB port over here instead of reaching all the way to the back of my computer. So yeah, this is one of the key features, and they're also a bit spaced out, unlike this one. Are crammed together. This one has a bit spacing out. WASD F M. So I'm gonna try increasing the volume. Since mine is an old Mac, it's not increasing. Look, I'm gonna keep pressing. But if I click function and volume up or down, you can actually hear. Look at that. Okay. So that's it. And this is actually a really good keyboard for 5,000 rupees, which is like $90 or 70, 100, something like that. I don't know, sorry. It's actually pretty worth it. It's worth it. Yeah, this is mainly for gaming, but you can type with it for hours if you code or write documents. I mean, I feel a good difference. I'm actually looking forward to typing and all now. It's pretty useful and it's worth it. But the only con is this USB port over here, like I showed you before. And there's an alt key. Okay, that's on both sides. Windows key, I think it's on one side. I don't know if it should be on both. Last time I used a Windows computer was like a year ago. function key is only on one side, so if I wanna turn on the volume or recording, I'll have to stretch. And even then, it's not like I'm gonna record with this always, but it's useful. So, and there's also one more feature here, which is the macro key. It like records whatever you're pressing, something like that. So let me just turn it on and show you. I don't think I'm gonna use this much, but it's on. So to disable it, I press the escape key. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you like my review.